up, beautiful peeps? So we are at the Doubletree Hilton in Biltmore Village, and check this out. Biltmore Dairy Farms. This is actually where they used to carry the milk back in the day. It's pretty cool. All the cool stuff. How they actually have everything with the milk going, all that good stuff, you know. For over 86 years, Biltmore milk, you know. It's pretty so awesome, right? Big cows, you know, like amazing little cows. And then check this cow out, guys. Look at this. Look at that cow. Love you guys. Just wanted to show you hanging out in Asheville this weekend with my queen. My queen is Sha. Love you guys. Peace.